Okay, welcome back to Jeep Garage. Today we're going to be working again on the black Jeep, and we're going to be changing fuel injectors. It's under the intake manifold. That's all internal. So we'll tag you guys along and show how it goes. Alright, we're going to give you guys an update. We got it all out. Got the intake manifold off. Gotta do a little bit of cleaning. I already pulled the injectors out and gotta do a little bit of cleaning on that manifold right there. But I'll show you guys what we're replacing, what it looks like. So this is the brand new one. And so it's kind of like a spider, and that's what they're calling it, spider injectors, because it looks like a spider. And what we're dealing with is this right here is called a regulator, and on the old one it was not working, but with tearing that all down, I'm like, and I've already done it once before. I've replaced that once last year, and then it went bad again. So I'm like, we're gonna try to do all of it all together and have it all good. So we're gonna go back together now. Okay, doing another update on the black Jeep. We got it all back together, and we're gonna fire it up and see if we get any check engine lights or not. So let's go over here. Okay, we're gonna start it up. So far, so good. Took the throttle a little bit. I would say that we have officially fixed the issue on this, and it's running like a beauty. So I'll see you guys next time on Jeep's Garage, and take care.